Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're going to be talking about Palantir going to the moon. So before we get into this video, please hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like if you did enjoy this video, or you just want to give it a like now. That'd be amazing. As I know you guys do like seeing my holdings, my shares, how they're doing with Palantir, I'm going to show you right now on how they're doing. So as we all know, Palantir is at $32.57 at the moment, and I'm up 24%. I'm up £548, got 119 shares. It went up 25% in a day, and I saw that coming, and I'll show you later in this video of my analysis. Actually, you know what? Let's go into my analysis right now and review it. So as you can see, I formed a wedge and I went from the highest highs to the lows, and I was looking at it at the daily, so a longer time frame, and as you can see, the next bar had to be the big move. It kind of had to be for this to kind of work, and I was telling you guys to look out for this MACD crossing, because the MACD was going to cross. We weren't sure if it was going to be on the Wednesday, which was my birthday, or Thursday, or the Friday, and it happened on the Friday, so it happened a little later than I thought, but it happened definitely, which I knew was going to happen in the week. So as you can see there, we have crossed the MACD, and normally that tends to mean there's going to be massive upside to the stock. If you guys were watching some of my other Palantir videos before, we did mention about this blue line I drew here. I drew this blue line because I saw it personally going above that blue line, hopefully, and breaking through that resistance of the $29, because it was quite a big resistance. We did have a lot of volume on the Friday, so that helped break through the resistance. So now that is acting as support. Well, at the moment, that's the biggest amount of support, that blue line. So I wouldn't be too surprised if it did go back to the $29 range, sitting on that blue line. But that doesn't mean I think it's going to go to that, because if we looked at the option chain as well, we've looked at all them things, and they've been saying people were predicting this $30 range. There was a lot of people betting on the price that it was going to $30, and also the $35 range. We could see it going back to the $30 range for the next week. I do see this, especially coming up to demo day, us just keep rallying up. I think there's just too many like catalysts of it to bring the price up, and we could be hitting the $40 range. We have got a lot of bullish momentum right now, and yeah, but that blue line is more for just to be aware of. It could sit down there. So I'm really happy with that result, and it's amazing that it's broken through that little wedge. I say little, it was one big wedge, because it was trading sideways for a very long time, and this was bound to happen. Next steps with this Palantir, these are my thoughts at the moment. So we've got demo day on the 26th, so we've got earnings on the 11th of February, then we've got the lockup period between 13th and 14th of February, if I am right, around there anyway. Okay, it depends how demo day goes. There could be a sell-off and people aren't too hyped about it, or it could go in the other way where people are so hyped about it and think this is amazing and it's going to keep going up. These are my opinions. I think there could be a little sell-off on that day, but I think after that it's just going to keep buying up and up and up and keep rallying to earnings, because earnings should be very good or decent, a lot better than the previous earnings. And then we've got the lockup period, and that's the one that everyone's been kind of dreading almost, because there's going to be a lot of selling pressure, people, insiders selling. Well, they might not, but that's what everyone's thinking at the moment. If that is the case, if we do end up dropping to $25, I'm buying. I'm saying it now, I'm buying at $25, or if it goes below in the 30s, I'm probably going to be stacking up some more shares on Palantir. Another thing to point out is I made a video earlier about Alex Carp and Stephen Cohen. They are looking at buying shares of Palantir. So they want to purchase about $188 million worth of Palantir stock within the next 30 days. And the good thing about this is this could help Palantir stock as well, because if there's a lot of downward pressure, a lot of selling pressure, they might counteract that, buy the shares, bring the stock price back up, or even just even it out, and we won't actually see the biggest drop off we were all probably thinking. But either way, pretty much to sum it all up, this is gonna be the craziest few weeks with Palantir stock. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'm looking forward to where this week goes with Palantir stock. I'll keep you guys updated as I do at the beginning of the videos, and yeah, let me know in the comments below, how many shares have you got of Palantir? What price target do you think it's going to go in the next few weeks? Let me know in the comments below, and also if you are new here, subscribe if you want to keep up to date with my holdings with Palantir, and give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.